folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to be taking up the Typhoon after its repair and new radio and all the different stuff I've done to it. This is the Remaiden after its fatal crash that day. I had a double crash that day because if I would have just listened to myself the first time. But then again, I think I had a problem with the radio, so in the end, it's kind of good that all right, we're going to back up here. Going to do a range test. Definitely want to do a range test. This, you need to do it anytime you haven't flown a mile in a while, or anytime or in a while, or a new motor, or anything, any kind of new electronics, anything you put in the motor or in the plane, you need to do a range test. All right, let me go a little bit further back. All right, we're at the other end. Reduce power. All right, I see movement. All right, let's bring her back to me. Good looking model. I love that yellow striping on that, or the rail tips on that prop. Really looks good. Let me make sure I'm filming here. Yes, I am. All right, got my range test. I've done my CG. Everything is the way it should be. I'm running a Spectrum 3200 3-cell all the way down in the cavity, running low rates right off the bat. So here we go.
Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
I know I'm up high. Sorry.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Y'all know me. If I'm not talking, you know I'm nervous. All right, we're going to switch to high rates.
Mid rates, high rates.
Because I did not like that. All right, that was a low rate, so don't need any flaps right now.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
The wind is messing with it, that's for sure.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
All right. A little nerve-wracking, but hey, not bad. We'll take it. Definitely want to fly in high rates, that's for sure.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
Do a nice slow pass with those landing flaps all the way down. There, put them back up. Probably need to do a mix because she does seem to balloon on me.
Gear down. Takeoff flaps.
We'll try landing and takeoff flaps this time. Oh! Caught the... Well, she's going to stand right there and take a bow. All right, still got a minute and a half. Not bad, not bad. Okay.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Low rates.
High
rates.
High rates.
Flaps up.
All right. Definitely got to stay on that rudder. She got some torque on her.
Gear up.
Do a fast pass.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down.
Not bad at all. I think I got the trim kind of worked out now.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps up. 30 seconds. Landing flaps.
You knew I had to go around at least one more time.
20 seconds.
Yeah, 20 seconds. But I'll tell you, she will slow right down.
10, 9.
Yeah, she'll slow right down.
Flaps up.
Slow right down. All right.
8.
That was a very successful Remaiden of the FMS Typhoon, Hawker Typhoon, 1.1 meter, 1100 millimeters. All right, here's what you want to hear.
Low rates.
No,
High rates.
this is what you want to hear.
Motor off.
Motor off. All right, folks, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I'm running a 3200 Spectrum Smart battery all the way in the cavity without the battery tray, Velcroed down. Put her on a new prop, fixed the gear, repaired the body, put a light kit in, not that you can see it right now, but hey, great flying bird. Got it at Horizon Hobby. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.